Good day, sir. I am Enrico Villanueva Amavao Jr. from Bilwang, Isabelete, 21 years old. First question. Senator Bato de la Rosa put forth a bill that would have made plunder punishable by death penalty, penalize corrupt public officials should the Philippines government permit this to become law. The Philippine government should not permit the bill making plunder punishable by death to become law. While the intention to deter corruption is valid, capital punishment raises serious ethical, legal, and practical concerns. The death penalty is irreversible, and the Philippine justice system has a history of errors, delays, and politicization, risking wrongful execution. Question number 2. Should same-sex unions be made legal in our nation so that the LGBT community can have the freedom to be with whoever they choose to love? Justify your moral judgment on this matter. Yes, same-sex unions should be made legal in the Philippines to uphold the freedom, dignity, and equality of every person, including those in the LGBT community. Morally, this is about recognizing the humanity and rights of individuals choose whom they love and to build a life with that person, just like heterosexual couples. From a moral and ethical perspective, denying same-sex couples the legal right to union is a form of discrimination. Love, commitment, and the desire to form a family are universal human experience, and the law should not limit this based on gender or sexual orientation. Legalizing same-sex unions does not diminish heterosexual marriage, it simply extends equal rights to all.